Good morning and welcome back again. Today we are talking about another thing here. We have chapter 2. You can see from the title of the chapter we are dealing with such new things that we have homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient, because later we have a variable coefficient as well. So how we make it, how we find them is very important to understand, because that one, 2.1, will be the base for 2.2 as well, and the other one. So please be aware. So I'm going briefly to show you, we have an auxiliary equation. Later on, for general solution, we are going to use the auxiliary. You'll see we will call as auxiliary equation, okay, A. And we will change our variable to m, then later on we will get such quadratic equation, and we know if I have the quadratic equation, we have an equation, from equation maybe we have a quadratic, let me say simple, first linear, quadratic, and higher. Okay, what do you mean by linear? For example, we say x equal to 1. That one is a linear equation. For quadratic, maybe we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. That one is called quadratic equation. So it means that x to power 2. High equation like x to power 3 minus 3x to power 2 minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. That one is high equation. For quadratic equation, at least we have 3 rules by making a common or taking a variable, okay, or making 2 parentheses to equal to 0, or using the formula, the formula. What we say x1 and 2 equal to 2a, okay, b minus b squared plus minus b squared, minus b plus minus 4ac. We have that one. So this is called quadratic, and that one can solve all types of the quadratic equation. And you can use that one for all of them if you like it. Otherwise, if you see it's easy, you can, for example, solve by parentheses. Like what? For example, if you have x squared minus x plus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. In that case, you can use parentheses. It's easy for you. You say x, am I right? Positive, negative, positive, and you say 3 by 2, right? So you get 2 values. You say x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 2. You'll get 2 numbers. As well, at the same time, you can say this equation can be solved by formula. This is the review for high school to, what do you call it, secondary school to university. So you can say a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 6. And using the formula, you say x1 and 2 equal to 2a minus b plus minus b squared minus 4 ac. Am I right? Then you'll get what? You'll get minus minus is equal to 2, minus minus is equal to 1, plus minus 1 minus 24. Because negative multiply positive, negative, I'll get positive. And I'll get what? 1 plus minus over 2, 25, was equal to 1 plus minus 5 over 2. So it means that 1 minus 5 over 2 or 1 plus 5 over 2, and you'll get x1 equal to 2 or x equal to 3. You'll get the same result. Up to you. Whatever, which method you like, you can use. But I gave you two important things, parentheses and formula, to remember. That one is used for what? For quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. What was the general formula for quadratic equation? Is to be ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That one is called general form of quadratic equation. And you can use formula to solve. The result of quadratic equation, the result, maybe you have three types based on the discriminant. What do you mean by discriminant? By discriminant, we mean the square root. Under the square root is called discriminant. Maybe you will get one value, duplicated. So in case, maybe you'll get two distinct. Let me say two real solution. Your solution can be two real, like x equal to minus 2, x equal to 3. That we solve. You saw that one, right? Maybe you'll get one duplicated solution. Maybe you'll get repeated. x1 equal by x2 and equal to 2, for example. Understood? Or maybe that one here is equal to positive number. Under the square root is equal to 0. If under the square root is negative number, you'll get complex solution, not real. How? For example, you get 1 minus 2 over 3. Your value is like that. So in that case, if you get complex solution, you'll make it like that. You say minus 1 under the square root, we will make it as an imaginary part. We call it as an imaginary part. So for example, if your value, your solution is like 1, let me say 2 over 2 plus minus, we say 4 minus 4, if you get something like that, in that case you say I am in the third case, then my solution will be 2 plus minus over 2 I square root of 4. What did I do? I took minus to out and we symbolize as an imaginary part. We say is equal to what? 2 minus. Okay guys? Is that clear? We say minus 4 equal to 4i. We change what? Negative under the square root to be I. Is that clear? Just symbolize the cube with a complex number, imaginary part. Okay. In that case, and you know, is equal to 2 plus minus 2i over 2. So x1 will be 1 plus x2 will be, you know, or understood here? And we say x1 equal or x1 to equal to 1 plus minus I. Here we say we rename the real part and imaginary part as alpha and beta. We say x1 and 2 equal to alpha plus minus I beta. Alpha in this example equal to what? Beta equal to what? 1. For example, if you have In that case, alpha equal to what? Hello? 2. And beta equal to 3. You don't say minus plus 3, okay? Just say 3. You got it, guys? Clear? Good. That's about what we have. Okay. Now, we have a quadratic equation. From equation, we deal with quadratic. Then with the solution, then with complex. Equation, quadratic is like that. Solution, maybe we have 3 solution. Single, and repeated, let me say repeated. Two distinct real number, 2 distinct real solution, or maybe double or repeated solution, or maybe complex. And from complex we say alpha plus minus I beta. You got, guys? Today we are going to solve all of them, each case by examples. No worries. Just let me know if you understand what did I say or not. You got, guys? Kaka? Good. Bash. Next, going back to business. So maybe you have 2 real, maybe m1 and 1 and equal. Maybe you have complex conjugate. Case 1, distinct real roots. We have what? If I have 2 distinct real roots, I say, please highlight this yellow one. I say if I have 2 distinct, case 1, if I have 2 distinct real, for example, x1 and x2, I say my solution is equal to c1 e2 power x1, okay, m1x, let me say m1, m2, m1x plus c2 e2 power m2x. What's m1 and m2? I'm going to show you what do you mean by m1 and m2. Is that clear? So this is for the first case. Okay. Show me by example. Sure. Case number 2. If I have repetition, it looks like the first case, but we will add instead of only have C1, C2, I say I have y equal to C1 e2 power m1 or m2 plus C2x e2 power mx y mx, because m1 equal to m2 and we call them as m. They are equal. We have duplicate. Of course, we have again, we will get the solution, and also put this one in the box. Let me see, where is it? Put that one as well, put on the box. If I say third case, y equal to e2 power alpha x, c1 cosine beta x, c2 sine beta x. As the beginning, it's a little bit complicated, but we will solve 3 or 4 examples. You will learn, no worries. Okay, just be patient and write your notes as we mentioned. Okay, so we have 3 cases. Okay, case number 3, the solution is like that. Okay, now going back to business. So I'm going to solve this differential equation. I say what? We have higher order, second order, y second order. So chapter 1 was first order, you remember? Only we have dy by dx, or just only we have y prime. Now, in chapter 2, we have second order or higher. or higher. Okay? تعال نقول شو نسين. حكينا ناو كأنه يعني derivative. We will start with the second order. Second order like a quadratic equation. So I say I have 2, 5, 3. I'm going to change this equation to that auxiliary. I say 2m squared minus 5m minus 3 equal to 0. So we change our differential equation for this quadratic equation. Did you get it, guys? Kaka? What did I do? I changed each y prime to m, y double prime to m squared, y to nothing, to m to power 0 is equal to 1 and nothing. Okay? So look at here, we have 2y prime minus 5y prime minus 3y equal to 0. So I'm going to change to 2m squared 5m minus 3 equal to 0. Is that clear for you guys? Okay. So how we solve this one? Solve that one. That one equation is equal to what? Okay. Equal to what? Quadratic, ABC. So where's A? Where's B? Minus 5. Where's C? Minus 3. How we get M1 and M2, guys? I say equal to 2A, am I right? Minus B plus minus B squared 4AC, and I'll get what? 5, 4 plus minus 25 minus 1, 8, 24. Am I right? Tamama? And I'll get what? 49, 5 plus minus 49 over 4. And I know equal to and I'll get what? And 1 equal to what? 7 minus 2 over 4. Am I right? How about the other one? 12 over 4? 3. Tamam. Clear? Understood? Good. Yes? Minus 4 or minus 1 over 2 ما كاتا مش أنا كاتا Pasha? Understood. How many roots I got? So I say I'm in the first case C1 EM1X, C2 EM2X, because I'm in the first case. So I say my solution is equal to C1. You got it, guys? Easy? It's easy. You know about solution. M1 and M2. So that's why we say you have 3 cases here. That one for first case when they are distant, where M1 not equal to M2. Is that clear? Good. Example number 2, or sorry, B. Yalla, help me. Y double prime. I want your help. Yeah, plus 25y. Yalla. How we solve that one? Change to m, thank you. So m squared minus 10m, right? 25 equal to 0. Am I right? So I can solve this one by formula or two parentheses. So I say m minus 5 minus 5. Am I right? You know how to do it. You say positive multiply negative, negative, negative multiply positive, negative. 25 is 5. So I'll get what? Clear? So I'll get what? Hello? So m equal to what? Where's the other solution? We should have a 2 because quadratic. Why? On here, x m squared. Where's the other value? Means that m1 equal to m2 from here. Equal to 5. So I'm in the second case. I say my solution will be c1 mx plus c2 x mx. We have x for repetition. Okay, guys? So my solution will be e to power c1 5x plus c2 x e to power 5x. This is the second solution. Where is it? You got it, guys? Hello? Exactly. m1 equal to m2. Tamam? Part C, third example. The same example number 1, C. Look at here. Y double prime, In the third one, you will deal with me. Y double prime plus 4y prime plus 7y when you equal to 0. So here's 0, everywhere 0. So how we deal that one? Yalla, change it to m squared plus 4m. So can we make two parentheses? Yes? No, we can't. So how do you solve this one? Okay, thank you. That one only true if here's 0. Only true if and only if A0 or B0. Here, if you change that one to any number, is not true. Careful, okay? For example, I say A plus multiply B equal to 3. Do you think, for example, A equal to 3 and B equal to 0 or 1? Do you think that? No. Maybe A is 3, maybe 1 over 3, right? So that one is true only. Thank you for your mistake, actually. It was great. Because mostly do. Who says? Who say? Do you think that is true? No. M is not equal to minus 4. Who say that? Maybe that one is M is equal to 1 over 7. That one is 3. Or that one is, what do you call? Minus 14. Firm. Okay? So it gets us a number, not 14 actually. But we say M1 is 1. That one is minus 4, minus 13. I'll get 17 or not? I'll get 17 or not? 7, wait. Let M1 be 1, M2, or let M1 be 0, and that one let be minus 7 over 4. I'll get minus 7 or not? M1, M2. You can't. we have infinite possibility for m to change to another number. Maybe m1 is 1, m2 is something else. So also I'll get 1 over 7 by minus, okay? So no, that one is not true. Never do like that. So how we solve this one? Again, at least if you don't know how to make it, or you are not sure about your solution, for quadratic use formula, easy peasy. Yalla, 1 b4 c7, okay. So m1 and 2 equal to 2a minus b, one year, b squared minus 4ac. We got one. The result, can you help me? Could you please? 28. Shanakat? Minus 16, am I right? Huh? Wait. Yes, you are right. Thank you. Let's be patient. 4 plus minus 12. Okay. Over 2. Am I right? Okay. I'm gonna change it like that. Do you agree with me? Hello? 12 equal to what? Equal to, so I'll get what? Am I right? So am I right, guys? Hello? 4 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, so I'll get like that. Where's alpha? Where's beta? Case number 3, we say what? We say is equal to e to power alpha x c1 cosine beta x c2 sine beta x. So in that case I say what? E to power 2x c1 cosine I think it's not hard. Now, you know, if you solve more example, you see it's not hard, it's very easy. Sorry, you get minus 2, minus b, sorry. Here's minus b. We forget about that one. That's why it's okay. You got it, guys? With the mistake in the b. We have minus b, not b. Okay? Yes? Fermo. Yes. No. Square root for AB, you can say AB, because between A and B there's multiplication. But if you have, and as well, A over B, you can say A over B, because you have division. But for A minus plus B, again, we don't have. It's not allowed. You got it, guys? Good. Any else? Kaka? Any question? Good. This is all cases that we have 3 here, but how about initial value? Do you think it's hard? No. We have what? But we have what? We have 2 values. Careful here. Why? Because we have C1 and C2. So how we make it? There's an idea here. We have an idea. You didn't see that one before. So first of all, you know how to solve that one, right? M squared 4m plus 17 equal to 0. And find M1 and M2. I'm not going to do it. We got that one. Okay, guys? Hello? Alpha equal to what? Beta equal to? And here's your solution. I think That one is easy for you. Can you imagine the solution, guys? Hello? Tamam? Minus e to power alpha, okay. C1 cosine beta or beta. Kato alpha or beta. Good. Now, it's time to get C1 and C2. So, we need to take a derivative of here to get C2. First, we will find C1, then derivative, then C2. You got it, guys? That's it. Enough. So how? First of all, I'm going to substitute in each x should be 0, am I right? And y should be minus 1. So I say minus 1 equal to e to power 0 cosine C1 cosine 2 0 and cosine 0 C2 sine 0. Look, we have y equal to e to power minus x over 2 C1 cosine 2x C2 sine 2x. Am I right? And we have initial value. You say what? You say y not equal to minus 1. So I say y minus 1 and x equal to 0. Am I right? So minus 1 for here. Do you agree with me for left side? Kaka? Good. Then for here, I say e to power 0, C1 cosine 0, C2 sine 0. I know sine of 0 equal to, that's why it will give you 1 to vanish the other one. So I'll get C1 equal to 0. Okay. And cosine of 1, 0 equal to 1. Am I right? So I got what? 1 equal to e to power 0, 1. C1 plus 0. Minus 1, you're right, thank you. So C1 equal to what? Hello? Minus 1. Minus 1. Multiplication now. C1 equal to minus 1. So you got minus 1. How you find C2? We need to take the derivative of here. So I'm not going to take it. You know how to do it. Okay? Derivative of here equal to, you know, first function multiply second derivative. Okay? Plus second function multiply first derivative. I think in the previous chapter we did more. So please do it at home to be quick, to answer quickly, to know how to answer. So this is for the first one. And after changing finding the first derivative, okay, after finding, differentiate that one, then use that one, you will get C2 equal to 3 over 4, as we did for C1. Please do it at home. Make it as a task, as a homework. Then, of course, C1 will be minus 1, C2 will be what? So your solution will change. Y e to power minus x over 2, C1 cosine 2x plus C2 sine 2x. Okay, guys? Easy? Hello? All this information, it was about second or quadratic equation or second order differential equation. What do you mean by second order? Your y prime is double prime. Okay? This is the second order. How about high order? How about high order differential equation? So it means that the derivative that we have is more. Look, you got the example? Am I right? S more. So how we solve this one? يلا. يلا guys. So we have, yes, y triple prime, 3y prime, for y equal to 0. Am I right? Guys, in 2.2, this 0 also will change to another function. And 2.2 is like 2.1, so try to understand, Kako. Later, I'll give you time to review, please. So, we say that m equal to am I right? We can't say take m squared, you know why? Plus 3 equal to 4. We can't. You know why? We say that, we mentioned. So how we solve this one? Yalla. How we solve higher order? Cham? Yak m? Jafar Kichi. Aynasht. M beduam beherekst. So we can't take m as a factor. So how we solve this one? Divide by m? If we divide by m, the minus 4 will be by m squared, m cubed. And chilop in way. So how we deal with the m here? Okay, now m already. So we can't. Yalla. أوف أجا 4 هين بأفر. Solve it by group بأفر. Thank you. If you have 4 parts, maybe the exercise again you have it. If you have 4 parts, you will solve it by groups. You are right. I will keep the exercise ago idea. Thank you. But I'm 3 or quadratic quantic شلون حالكين quantic يكون زمان. Okay, exactly. So how we solve this one? By sensation. By sensation. For example, I say if I put 0, if m, so if m equal to 0, I'm gonna check m cubed plus 3m minus 4 equal to 0 or not? Huh? No. So it's not solution. If m equal to 1, we think about it. 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 Basha? Okay, if m is equal to 1, I'll get what? 1 plus 3 minus 4, I'll get 0. So m equal to 1 is my solution. حزقي بقى minus داني نجاري. إنجا m كش داني. بزونا جينا نتيجة. Okay. I'm gonna change it to minus 1. So if m is minus 1, I'll get what? m cubed 3m squared minus 4. I'll get what? Minus 1 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 4 to 0? No. Am I right? Now if m equal to 1, as we said, 1 cube plus 3 squared minus 4 equal to 0, yes. So means that m equal to 1 is one solution of how many? 1 over what? How many solutions I should have? 3, thank you, is equal to 1, yeah? m to power 1, 1 solution. m to power 2, 2 solutions. Maybe one of them is absent, but it's called repeat or duplicate. m to power 3, 3 solutions. Maybe they are repeat or not, I don't know, but in my mind it's 3 solutions. Okay, guys? Huh? m cube. Cube, 20 نسيه. ما في 12. Okay, guys? So I say 1 over 3. Where is the others? كون the others? Hello? كاكا بوي تبقى x is equal to 1 يعني 1 solution. كالي x square equal to 1 يعني x كردته 1 and 1 يعني 2 solutions. كالي x cube minus 3 equal to 0 x رزان يعني شي مجالي تاني اوكي بوي بيركيتو. Good. So we found that m equal to 1 is solution. Where's the other one? Am I right? Hello? Where's the other? So, أما قينا نيزين, okay. يعني بينو سبا notes. Please write down your notes. We say that m cube plus 3m square plus, yes, minus 4, we are going to divide by m minus 1. Check again. To get the other values, the remains one, we are going to use long division by what? Over what? Divide by the roots that we found. Understood? Hello? The exercise please. So you have in your exercise, you need to write down these notes, then you know how to solve them. So how we divide, you say m squared, am I right? Hello? M multiply m, I'll get what? M squared. M by minus 1, am I right? Yes, thank you. Am I right, guys? Yeah. Then we change the sign. Tamam? We eliminate that one, and I'll get 4m cubed minus 4. Tamam? Hello? Is there any student who didn't understand, please? We found one solution. To get the other one, we are going to use the long division. So when I say long division, it's like that. So I'm going to divide by m minus 1. So for cube, I need m squared. M squared multiply m, I'll get m cubed. Then m squared minus 1, I'll get minus m. Then for removing cube, we need to change the sign. So we change the sign, and then we do our calculation or our algebraic steps. Then I got 3, 1, 4m squared, minus 1, nothing, minus 4. Is that clear? And I need what? Plus 4m. Am I right? Hello? 4 multiply here, I'll get 4m squared. 4 multiply here, I'll get minus 4m. Understood? Again, change the sign. I will get 4m minus 4. Clear? Hello? Then plus 4, I'll get what? Plus 4, 2m, I'll get 4m minus 4. Change the sign. I'll get what? 0. What did I get? No. If the power of the degree of denominator with numerator, if they are equal, or let me say x to power AB, okay? If A and B, if A greater than or equal to B, you can divide, even equal. So in that case, you say it's better to leave. No, remains, because the power is 4m, m to power 1, m to power 1. So it means that still one step remains. You got it? If For example, if I have m, some step, long division, I have m squared minus 2. If I have m, yes, you are right. Here we can't. No more chance. But if I have m squared, still remains. You got it, guys? Thank you for your notes. Yes? Which 3m dujaka? Alera? كنيشانه من گوری کویه کینو. این 3 و 1 4. خوی ماینس بو. اما نشانی من گور. قاینه اساس. Okay. Tamam, guys? So what did I do? I divide my m square plus 4m m cube plus 4m minus 3 4 اما 3 minus 4 1 ابو divide m minus 1 بو بچی يعني چی يعني m3 plus 3m square minus 4 بو با m minus 1 لقل چیه and this one. So m squared plus 4 plus 4. You got it, guys? Hello? Our factor kert. Ama solution is this one is one solution. We say that. Ama do kitra. Why is 2? Because we have quadratic. To power 3, we change it to the linear and quadratic. To answer badu. Okay, guys? We factored as a 1 and 3 and 2. Sorry. Then now, how we solve this one? Hello? How we solve that one? Yes, up to you. I'm gonna solve it like that. But I'll solve it. Comes on a bit. كده ما دو كان كشن بيك because that one's called complete square. Do جايتها. Up to you. You forget, go use formula. باشا كاكا حدد زاني فورمولاتي على قدار بس أو غلط قالوا حق بكوجي. شوف فورمولات لسه توصعين from secondary school we go the formula till now. Okay, guys. Then checking star. Going back to business. So. أعمل هما m cube plus 3m squared minus 4 equal to 0 بو بچي ب m minus 1 m plus 2 squared equal to 0. Can I say first one equal to 0 and second one equal to 0? Yes. M equal to 1 or m plus 2 equal to 0. هذا كمش بعبد على خينا. أما m equal to 1 أما first I'll call M1, okay? Or M minus 2, am I right? I'm going to do after M2 and M3. Why? Square, quadratic. So how we mix that one? We say, I'm a first case, C1 e to power x, am I right? Plus C2 minus 2 plus C3 why minus 3? Am I right? M2, M3 chain. Repeating. How we deal with the repetition? By X. I M1 and M group different. You got it, guys? So we will find like that. We will change it like that. We will get a solution. We will make it X here. What is near? Just we mix. Then I mix crash. What is the next one? I'm gonna leave the X to power 4 directly for you. Maybe cackle. Look, that one is X to power Y to power 4. Careful. Plus 2Y plus Y. That one is easy. That was easier than the previous one. Why? Because m to power 4, 2m squared plus 1 equal to 0. How I deal with that one? You can also solve this one as a, what do you call, as a formula. To answer, but I'm not here. If I change, if I change m squared, yes, if I substitute m squared as a, I'll get what, guys? Listen to what I say. If I change m squared to a, I'll get what? A capital طبعا. Just for fun. If I change, just for fun. Is that clear? Hello? How about here? Am I right? I say let a be m squared. Can I do like that? To see, you can solve this one as quadratic. We have m cubed to power 4 plus 2m squared plus 1 equal to 0. I say to see that one can be solved by quadratic or not as a formula. I say that just put in your mind that one is a squared, that one a plus 1. Yani m equal to a squared. That's it. So can you solve this one? Yes, why not? By quadratic. When I get any value, I'm going to duplicate it again because we have what? Fourth number. So when you solve that one, I'll get what? So I'm going to check it directly. M squared plus 1 whole square equal to 0. How many roots do we have? Am I right? Hello? Why? So m square plus 1 equal to, when I say ihmal, I mean that take a square root. Or do one level. So m square equal to, hello? So m equal to what? Thank you. Square for both sides. 1i. I'll get what? Why? Where's alpha? Where's beta? Thank you. Where's alpha? Which one alpha here? Alpha is what? Real part. Where's the real part? Vanished. Right? Am I right? Hello? Ammonia? Real part is 0. Imaginary part 1i. Come on. So I know I will get e to power 0 c1 cosine beta x plus c2 sine beta x. Beta x. Am I right? أو بوتشن يعني أقصي الرازبو. For 2 value ونيا إكواف 2 كيتر. Again the same means that I'm a repetition. Then again c1x c2 Ours x. I think you know why we have x. Because our solution was it was بەڵام ئەمە چەند بوو power 4 بوو کەواتە m1 m2 m3 m4 کردوێتی ئەوە بە دوانیان you'll get that one for m1 and m2 أي بو m3 m4 because repeat area x because repetition of here أي كوا إيكا e to power 0 تنكات that's why we don't have it اگر هبوا e man هبوا لێرە ژمارەیەک دەرەچوو لێرە ژمارەیە دەرەچوو you got guys بله ئەگە هەردووکیان جوود بن زەنی چۆنە ئێستا کەم پرسیارم بۆ بێ بڵێمە حەل دەکرێ let me show you کەم پرسیارم بۆ بێنێ ئەڵێ حەلەکەڵم بەڵێ ئەڵێ بۆڵم ئەمە ئەکەم لەبەر چای خۆمە ئەمە ئەکەم بە ئەیەک حەق خۆمە ئەوە چییە تێگەشی ئەگەم دووتوانە خزمی یەک بوو تێگەشی خۆی فۆرمولەکە چی ئەڵێ a square plus a plus شتێوە نییە من چیم هەیە ئەم دوانە سکوێرین بەڵام ژمارەیان بەرز کراتەوە های کراوە ئەگە هەر سکوێرە تمام أو just for imagination من بتولم أمازاني حلكي عليس بلان بتولم أمازاني حلكي أوستي أقبل دمج بليس واي أما سكويري area أماش سكويري area بو أويتو تيبقي أي خمسة فورمولا بوتو بس بويتو تيبقي
يعني مش بدماني
طب بالضبط عفوا تمام ايش شانزه ببو كاكيم حلكت واني بويتيه بقى عوام ليكرت بس خوي صار يعتبر شاي تبريتو got guys that's all about today